Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we'll discuss about the DB backup strategies. So here is the condition we have. Full backup is going on every Sunday 1 p.m. Differential backup is going on every day at 8 a.m. and the log backup in every minute is taken. So the DB crashed at 1:15 p.m. Wednesday. So how can we restore the DB? So this is a strategy which is taken care by some of the organizations. So here's the database crashed at 1:15 p.m. Wednesday. So how can we restore that particular DB? In which strategy? First, what we have, we need to take the full backup, latest available full backup. So on every Sunday, that full backup is going on at 1 p.m. So first, we need to sorry, we need to take the latest available full backup. Full backup for the last Sunday with no recovery. Okay, so we have taken the full backup on the last Sunday. After that, the differential backup has been run on every day. Mean after Sunday, differential backup ran on Monday 8 a.m., Tuesday 8 a.m., Wednesday 8 a.m., Thursday 8 a.m., Friday 8 a.m., like that. So DB crashed on Wednesday. So the differential backup must run till last Wednesday 8 a.m. So we have to take differential backup. Then we need to take the differential backup at 8 a.m. Wednesday. So the last Sunday we have taken, then differential backup, latest available differential backup 8 a.m. Wednesday. So after 8 a.m. till 1:15 p.m. till 1:15 p.m. we have to take each and every log backup. So 8 a.m. so 8 a.m. differential backup, okay, then 8:15 a.m. log backup. This differential backup we have taken, this one is also with no recovery. Log backup with no uh, recovery. I'm just copy pasting this thing as I need to change the timing. Okay, so 8:15 we have taken, then from 8:15 8:30 a.m. we have to take the log backup, then 8:45 a.m. we have to take the log backup, then it will become in 9 a.m. Okay, so 8 is done, 9, then we have to take 9:15, then after 15 minutes 9:45 a.m., then it will come into 10 a.m. then after 10 10:15 10:15 a.m., then 10:30 a.m., then 10:45 a.m., then after 10 it will come in 11 a.m., then 11:15 a.m., then 11:30 a.m., then 11:45 a.m., then it will come into 12 p.m. 12 p.m. then 12:15 p.m. then 12:30 p.m. then 12:45 p.m. then 1 p.m. log backup with no recovery. Then our DB crashed at 1:15. So the last 1:15 transaction, we need to take log backup with recovery. So the last recovery means the DBs come online. So these are all the last available full backup we have to take, no recovery. Differential backup 8 a.m. no recovery. Then from 8 a.m. till 1 p.m. we have to take the log backup with no recovery, and the last log backup we have to take with a recovery. Okay, so how many log backups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So almost total 21 log backups we have to take. So this is the strategy we need to follow, how to restore the backup when the database is going to crash. We have to check, and from where we can able to check this strategy, we can able to check through SQL Server agent. Here is the job monitor activity. If you click on job activity monitor, we can able to see the strategy that when which backup is going on. So in this way, so if you like this video, subscribe the DBA Guardians. Thank you.